welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video I'm doing a very quick sketch using pencil and watercolour of some imaginary flower pots, keeping it very loose and very impressionistic. I wasn't actually sure what I was going to do today for you. I knew I wanted to do something in watercolour and I just set off drawing really, so it's completely out of the imagination, and using lots of swirls and squiggles, so they could be any type of flower. Don't get too bogged down in trying to do every petal and every leaf. You leave your lines there with your pencil, let those lines show through and just have a bit of a fun. Let some colours merge together and let others dry, so that you end up with some soft edges and some hard edges, so you get a bit of variety in there. But I just did want to talk to you before I show you the rest of this video. I just wanted to talk to you about making the pot shapes in the first place. For those of you that are beginners, it's very easy to make a pot shape or a cup or something like that by using a big nice ellipse. So I have actually done a video on drawing wine glasses. I'll put the link up there if I can find it, because it is some time ago. But it's the same principle for this kind of thing, and it's very easy then, if you know this, to make something out of your imagination. So for a pot, move your arm from your shoulder and hold your pencil loosely and make some nice big ellipse shapes. Whoops, I need to get my nib out. And keep your arm moving, and a really nice big ellipse. So basically an ellipse is how you see a circle when you're seeing it at an angle. So this pot, if you turn the pot upside down, you would see an exact circle, but because we're seeing it tilted at an angle, because we're obviously higher than the pot that's down on the ground, we're seeing this shape. And the same for the base. So although we can't see the back of the pot, this bit here, by drawing that ellipse it helps make the whole shape and get it right. And then all you need to do then is join the sides up. So all I did on this piece of paper here was several of those, different shapes and sizes, some shorter, some fatter, and just mixing them up a bit. You could bunch them together a bit better than I have on that picture. I think I've left too many gaps. It would be nice to perhaps bring them in a bit and maybe make one or two of them taller. So that's really what I wanted to talk to you about, is just having a bit of a fun play, being quite scribbly, letting your pencil lines show, and then just putting any colours on. Because it's from the imagination, you can go really wild with your colours. I used brown madder for the pots because it's an earthy colour and it's sort of clayey anyway. I thought it would do for the terracotta, but then obviously you get coloured glazed pots and things as well. So your pots could be all different colours, your flowers could be all different colours. Use plenty of green, because in summer when we have this abundance of foliage, there's lots and lots of green in there, and then just drop some yellow in to get some highlights and shadows and things, some darker greens, some lighter greens, and just build it up. You might want to keep it looser than this, not just as much paint. You might just want to put 2 or 3 colours and let more of your pencil lines show. So the pencil I've used today is a Derwent Precision one, and that's 0.5mm. I've only just got this and I'm finding it really handy to do sketching with, quick sketches. It's good it's very easy to get things down quickly with this pencil, and you can get some nice shadows as well by pressing on a little bit harder. What else? I'll tell you which paper I've used. So it's this one that I've used before, so it's £140 hot pressed, which is a nice smooth surface to draw on. So if you're doing a drawing with a very precise pencil like this, you don't want to be drawing on a rough paper. You want a nice smooth watercolour paper. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's very rough, very quick, but I just wanted to show you how you know, it's good to loosen up and have a bit of fun and use the imagination and not rely on copying from a photograph all the time. So don't be too tight with your flowers, keep them very loose, and then you can imagine this as a little practice, because you're in a bigger picture where these pots are further in the distance in your big painting. You can use that exercise in there, getting that impressionistic feel for some pots in the distance in a garden. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another one. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.